Hello. Mm. Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome and welcome back to your channel, Ready Kid Foods. I hope you are well from wherever you are watching this from. So this is your channel, Ready Kids Food, a channel of amazing recipe, African traditional recipe, modern and travel and events. If you are new with this channel, feel welcome. Kindly watch view my other videos. If you love them, give them a like. Make sure you share with your friends and then subscribe. Remember also to turn your notification bell on so that whenever posting a video, you will be among the first people to see my videos. So my people, in my today's video, I'm going to share with you what I'm going to prepare for my dinner. So I'm going to make egg curry and I'm going to serve it with rice. So guys, let's cook together. So guys, these are the ingredients that I have for my egg curry. I have my 10 eggs here. I have some carrots, I have some coriander for garnishing. I have here tumeric. I have ceryene, and then I have paprika. I have my 3 large onions. I have some tomatoes which I'm going to blend. This is my rice, guys. So these are my ingredients. So guys, I will start by boiling my eggs, my 10 eggs here. As they boil for about 15 minutes, I will go ahead and peel my carrots. So let's go. So guys, I've put my eggs into a boil. I'll continue cutting my onions. There is look at the much onion that I have. This is what we make. So I'll cut my own tomatoes, and for these tomatoes, guys, I'm going to blend them. So I'm going to blend this up. I'm going to add some little vegetable oil. Not so much, guys. Maybe a teaspoon of turmeric. take them out after a few minutes. Take out your oil. You leave them for so long they'll burst, my people. So in the same pan, I'm going to add my many onions. Your onion has become translucent. We are going to add our garlic. And then our curry powder. So let your curry powder cook together with the onions. Remember, we are making egg curry. My blended tomatoes. So, tomato paste. Paprika. Curry powder once again. Salt to taste. Then mix up everything. At this point, we have our carrots. You cover it for the spices and everything to keep well before we add our eggs. So guys, next our eggs. So we give it about 20 minutes to cook before. So guys, at this point I'm going to take it out and boil my rice first, then I'll be back. Thank you. I'm going to boil my rice. So 1 cup of this, 2 cups of water. Salt to taste. Some little vegetable oil. Then my rice. So I'm going to cook rice, so stay tuned. I activate the hair. Guys, my rice is done. You can see it still has some little water. My rice is done, but it still has some little water. So this is the time that I'm going to take it out. So at this point now, guys, This is my egg curry. Very, very, very tasty. I've served it with rice. So kindly try this out. Guys, my egg curry is so tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.